Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to be reviewing Sell the Trend, which is a dropshipping research and automation tool that helps you finding winning products and streamline your e-commerce business. So if you are considering using it, make sure you check out the link in the description for the latest offers and details. Now, first we need to understand what is Sell the Trend. So Sell the Trend is an AI-powered dropshipping platform that actually helps sellers discover the trending products, automate order fulfillment, and analyze competitor stores. It actually integrates with Shopify, WooCommerce, and Amazon. That makes it a useful tool for finding profitable products and scaling a dropshipping business. Now here, if I talk about the pros that I actually liked about this particular platform, so the first thing that I would like to mention is the AI product research. So you will be able to use AI to identify your trending and high converting products across multiple marketplaces. You will also get the feature of one-click store import. So you will be able to easily add the winning products to your store with just one click. You will also get the option of the competitors insight that will allow you to analyze other dropshipping stores to see what's selling well. Here, if I talk about the cons, if I go to the pricing section, you can see that it is a subscription based model. So it requires a paid plan to actually access the full features, but with the help of the discount link in the description, you will get some discount over here. So make sure you check that out as well. The second thing that I would like to mention is the data accuracy. So since it is the platform is using AI, some trending products may not perform as well as predicted. So it may require some additional testing as well, which I'm sure that you are going to do. So if you are looking for an all-in-one dropshipping research tool that can actually help you find and sell winning products, Sell the Trend is worth considering. The AI-driven insights, automation features, and competitor analysis makes it a powerful tool for actually scaling your store. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.